Does this sound familiar? You're trying to relax, but your Ecovacs DEEBOT T9 sounds like it's chewing on rocks. You check the mop, and that high-tech vibrating feature isn't vibrating at all. So, what's the technical hiccup? The diagnosis almost always points to two specific culprits. A faulty cleaning head motor, that's the source of the terrible noise, and a faulty vibrating mop connector, which is why your mopping has lost its power. Ignoring the problem is a bad idea. That grinding motor is a ticking time bomb that can fail completely, potentially damaging other components. You're simply not getting the deep clean you paid for. Plus, it's just really, really annoying. Frustrating, right? Well, you've come to the right place. At RoboCare, this is a repair we see all the time. Our technicians are experts on Ecovacs models and have handled this exact dual fault issue countless times. We know that the grinding and the lack of vibration are two separate problems needing a precise solution. We use advanced diagnostic tools to confirm the failures in both the cleaning head motor and the vibrating mop connector. We don't just patch the problem, we solve it. Our process involves carefully replacing the faulty components with genuine parts. This ensures your DEEBOT T9 not only works again, but runs like new. This is the professional robot vacuum repair you've been looking for. Now, let's see the incredible results for ourselves. And just like that, after our expert service, the motor is silent, mopping system is back to full power. That's the RoboCare difference. Robot problems? We have the solution. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.